Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use Publitio videos inside your LearnDash lessons. The perfect way to host, protect, and stream your course videos smoothly. First, go to your Publitio dashboard. Click on Upload File, choose your video, and wait for it to finish uploading. Once done, your video will appear in the Publitio Media Library, ready to use in WordPress. Now, switch to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New and search for Publitio. Click Install and then activate the plugin. After activation, head to Settings and click Publitio. From your Publitio account, copy your API key and secret key and paste them here in WordPress. Click Save Changes. Now your site is connected to Publitio. Open your LearnDash lesson or topic in the block editor. Click the Add Block button and search for the Publitio block. Select your uploaded video from the list, click Insert Player logo, and it'll automatically embed inside your lesson. Now publish your lesson and preview it. Your Publitio video will play directly inside LearnDash, beautifully hosted and optimized. And that's it! You've successfully added a Publitio hosted video to your LearnDash lesson, securely and professionally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more LearnDash and WordPress tutorials.